foreign key. Foreign key. Okay. What is foreign key? What is the purpose of foreign key? Foreign key is used to establish relationship between two tables. Foreign key is used to establish relationship between two tables. Okay, foreign key is used to establish the relationship between two tables. Then primary key purpose is different. Foreign key purpose is different. Primary key purpose is what? Primary key purpose is to uniquely identify. We want to uniquely identify the employees. We use employee ID to uniquely identify accounts, account number. So primary key purpose is uniquely identifying, but foreign key purpose is what? Establish what? Relationship. Establish the relationship between two tables. One second. First, listen this. Suppose what I'm storing is there is a table, projects table. So every software companies, they will be doing what? Projects. They maintain their own database. Okay, na? That if you take TCS maintain their own database. In the database, they store what are the ongoing projects, and they're doing the projects for which client, and who are working for which project, which employee working for which project. All the details are stored in database. So there is a projects table. In this one field is project ID, project name, project duration, project cost, who is the client for the project. Okay, project ID something 100, some name of the project, and duration is 5 years. Cost is some 300 crore something. Client, who is the client for the project, is Tata Motors. 101, name is B, some duration. This is 3 years project. Okay, some 200. Some bank is there. They're doing that for bank. Some bank is there. Next one, 102. 102, name is C. So 4 years project, and this is 250 something. They're doing this project for L&T, like that. So there are 3 ongoing projects, and they're doing that projects for different clients. Next one. And who work for the project? Employees work for the project. Employee ID, name, salary, like that. Employee ID is 1, name is something K, salary is 4,000, and employee 2, okay, name is D, something, salary 3,000, and employee 3, name is S, some project like salary 5,000, etc. So this is one table is projects table. One table is employees table. The project table stores project details. Employee table stores employee details. So this table stores project details. This table stores what? Employee details. Okay, then next, but I like if I ask this employee working for which project, can you answer? Which employee working for which project? Can you answer? No. Okay, which employee working for which project? You cannot answer. Yes or no? Then That means project is there, employee is there, but there is no relationship between employee and what project. There is no relationship between employee and project. Okay. Relationship is not there. I want to maintain the relationship. I want to establish the relationship. To establish the relationship, introduce what? Foreign key. If you want to maintain the relationship, introduce foreign key. Introducing foreign key means take primary key of one table, add that primary key to another table. Listen, if you want to have the relationship, then take what? Primary key. Take primary key of one table, add that primary key to another table. I'll take the primary key of project table, add it to employee table. So like I'll add this project ID. In project table, project ID is what? In project table, project ID is what? In project table, project ID is what? Primary key. In employee table, this project ID is what? Foreign key. Okay, na? In project table, this is primary key. In employee table, this project ID is what? Foreign key. Foreign key. Okay. Then foreigner. Foreigner means what? Foreigner means a person belongs to another country. Foreign key means a person belongs to another country. That is called what? Foreigner. So foreign key means a field belongs to another table. Foreign key means what? A field belongs to another table. So it is not belongs to employee table. It is belongs to what? Project table. So that's why it is called foreign key. Okay. Then, but simply adding is enough. Simply adding project ID, relationship is established. No, because I enter project ID 100. Enter project ID 100. That means this employee joined in what? Project 100. Project 100 is valid or not? Yes. So this is valid. And this project, who is the client for this project, is Tata Motors. Next one, 101. 101 is valid. Yes, 101 is also valid. Suppose I enter the project ID 999. So tell me, this is a valid project? No, it's not valid project. There is no project called 999. When project is not there, employee cannot work for this project. This is invalid or not? Yes. Then what he must tell SQL Server? Okay. So 100 is valid, 101 is valid, 999 is invalid. Then what you have to tell SQL Server? You have to tell SQL Server that the values entered in project ID should match with the project ID. The values entered in project ID should match with project table project ID. This project ID should match with project table project ID. This project ID should be a valid project ID. Where are the valid project IDs are there? Project table. So that means this value should match with project table project ID. Yes or no? Simply adding is not enough. You have to declare. You have to declare a constraint. What is that? What you have to tell SQL Server? So when user enters project ID, refer the table. Refer the table. Which table it should refer? Project table. Refer the project table. Refer the project ID. Then you have to declare like this. What is references? What? Project table project ID. You're telling, you're asking SQL Server, refer the project table project ID. So how foreign key is declared? Foreign key is not declared with foreign key keyword. Foreign key is declared with what? References keyword. Unique is declared with unique. Not null is declared with not null. Primary key is declared with primary key. Check is declared with check. But foreign key is not declared with foreign key. Foreign key is declared with what? References. Now, 1 second. Enter 100. Enter 100. If I enter 100, then what SQL Server goes to? When you enter 100, SQL Server go to project table, because you said refer now. SQL Server refer the table. Which table? Project table, project ID. 100 is there? Yes, accepted. This is accepted. 101. When enter 101, SQL Server go to project table. Checks 101 is there. Yes. So it is a valid project. Employee can work for this project. 999. So 999 is there in the projects table? No. This is what? Invalid. Employee 4. Name is something. Some G. Something. Salary 3000. And here project ID is what, sir? 100. Allowed or not? Allowed. So when you enter project ID 100, SQL Server go to the project table, checks 100 is there. Yes, 100 is a valid project. Employee can work for this. Okay, na? That means foreign key allows what? Foreign key allows duplicates. Foreign key allows duplicates. Foreign key rule is different. Primary key rule is different. Okay, na? That purpose is different. This purpose is different. So foreign key allows duplicates. Allowing the duplicates means employee 1, employee 4 working for the same project. Multiple employees can work for the same project. Yes. Okay. Then foreign key allows duplicates. Employee 5, name is E, salary is some 2000. His project ID is null. Null. Project ID is null. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. Null is allowed. What is the meaning? This employee not assigned to any project. This employee not assigned to any project. Okay, na? Is not assigned to any project. Maybe he's fresher. He just joined recently. So not assigned to any project. Okay. So null is accepted. Null is accepted. Yes. So null is accepted. Duplicates are what's that? Accepted. Foreign key allows duplicates. Foreign key allows null values. That means allowing null means this employee not assigned to any project. If he is not assigned to any project, okay. But if he assigned to some project, that project must be a valid project. If he is not assigned to any project, okay, accepted. But if he assigned to some project, that project must be a valid project. Understood that? Now, one second. So, like first to write this, what is to establish what relationship? Take to establish the relationship, take primary key of one table and add it to another table as foreign key. To establish relationship, take primary key of one table and add it to another table as foreign key. And add it to another table as foreign key and declare with what? Declare with references constraint. This is example. And okay, now, so what is the rule of the foreign key? Like every constraint, you know the rule. What is the rule of not null? Rule. What is the rule of not null? Doesn't accept nulls. What is the rule of unique? Doesn't accept duplicates. Primary key doesn't accept duplicates and nulls. Okay, like foreign key rule. What is the rule of the foreign key? Foreign key rule is the values entered in foreign key column should match with primary key column. Foreign key column value should match with primary key column values. So then what is the rule of the foreign key? So values entered in foreign key column should match with what? Values entered in primary key column. Foreign key column value should match with primary key column. Okay, foreign key column should match with primary key column values. Next. Okay, next one. Foreign key allows what? Foreign key allows what? Duplicates and nulls. Foreign key allows duplicates. So it is allowing the duplicates means multiple employees working for the same project. Allowed or not? Multiple employees can work for the same project. Yes. Then, and it allows null value. That means at present, this employee not assigned to any project. An employee joins as a fresher, is not assigned to any project. They give some training. After completing the training, they assign. So till training, like okay, na, during the training, is project ID is what? Null. Yes or no? Then. So foreign key allows duplicates and nulls. Then next, after declaring foreign key, after declaring foreign key, after declaring foreign key, how to declare foreign key? References. After declaring foreign key, a relationship is established. A relationship is established between two tables. A relationship is established between two tables called parent-child relationship. Okay, na? After declaring foreign key, a relationship is established between two tables called parent-child relationship. A relationship is established between two tables called parent-child relationship. Okay, then now which is parent? Which is parent? Primary key table is parent, foreign key table is child. Okay, then so primary key table is parent and foreign key table is child. Foreign key table is child. Primary key table is parent, foreign key table is child. Okay, next. Then, so this is about foreign key, but this is theoretical. Now let's see practical. Okay, na? Then first create the tables. Which table you have to create first? Employee table or project table? Project table. Without project table, you cannot create employee table because employee table, this project ID references project table. Then, so first create the project table. Create table what projects? Project ID. Project ID. This is integer. This is primary key. Project name. Varchar of 10. This is not enough, na? Just two fields. Just for testing. Insert into what? Projects values. Project ID is 100. Name is what? A. Okay, na? Then now, so let's insert one more project, comma 101. Name is B. I'm inserting two projects, 100 and 101. Okay, then next. Next one, create table what? Create table employee project. One field is employee ID, integer. In employees table, employee ID is what? Primary key. E-name, varchar of 10, then not null. Next one, salary is what type? Money type. But there is a rule for salary. Salary should be minimum 3,000. Then check. Salary should be greater than or equal to 3,000. Next one, I want to store the details about employee work for which project. Employee work for which project? Project ID, integer. Employee work for which project? Next one, references. What? This project ID should match with what? Project table, project ID. References, which table? Which table? Project table. Project table. Then, so project ID. References, project table, project ID. So project ID, integer, references, project table, project ID. Okay, then. Then. Okay, then first create the table. Okay, first create these tables. Next insert and check foreign key. Okay, now create the table. So created, tables are created. Tables are created, plus the rows are also inserted. Okay, now insert the data into what? EMP project. While inserting, check foreign key. Okay, na? I don't check primary key, not null, because we already tested. Now let's test only foreign key. Then insert into EMP project values. Employee 1 name is some K, salary 5,000, and project ID is what? 100. This is valida, invalida. Project ID is 100. Valida, invalida. Valid. This is valid. Then this project ID 100 is valid. Okay. Then this is valid. Now let me insert. This is valid. One row affected. So because this is a valid project, 100 is there now. It is a valid project. Yes. So then next one. Insert into EMP project 2. Name is what? Something G. Salary 4,000. Project ID is 999. So it is valid, not valid. There is no project called 999. When project is not there, employee cannot join in this project. So insert statement conflicted with what? Foreign key. Okay, so it's violating the foreign key constraint. So this command gives what? Error. This gives error. Okay, then next. Insert into EMP project 3. Name is 3. Some, okay, na? B or something, some jet. Salary 3,000. Next project ID is 100. Then what? Valid or not valid? Valid. So multiple employees. Okay. Employee 1, employee 3 joined in same project. Yes or no? Allowed. Next one. Employee 4. Employee 4 name is D, salary 2,000, project, sorry, not 2,000, something 3,000. Project ID is what, sir? Null. Null is allowed or not allowed? Foreign key allows null values. One row effect. That's all. Only this gives error. Remaining all are valid. Foreign key allows duplicates. Foreign key allows null values. Okay, next. So that's this is what foreign key. Okay, now now so see the tables. Select star from what? Project. Select star from projects. Next, select star from what? EMP project. Select star from EMP project. Okay. So this employee what? 100 belongs to project 100. Then so this is parent table. Project is parent. Employee is what? Child. This is parent. This is parent row. These two are what? child rows. These two are belongs to, these two child rows belongs to this parent. These two child belongs to what? This parent. Yes or no? Okay, na? These two childs belongs to this parent. Okay, then parent row, child row. Understood? Now, that's how. This is how to establish what? How to establish the relationship between two tables. Understood? How to establish the relationship between two tables. Next, then if any two tables are given to you, if they ask you to establish the relationship, then now, so between the two tables, like between the two tables, relationships are four types. Between the two tables, relationships are what? Four types. Okay. Relationship what? Relationship what's that? Types. Otherwise, it is also called cardinality ratio. Relationships are four types. It is also called cardinality ratio. What are the four types of relationships? One to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. Four types. What this is called? One to one. This is called one to many. This is called many to one. And what is this is? Many to many. Many to many. So four types. 1 1M, M1, Mn, Mn, many to many. But 1M, M1, same. One to many, many to one, what? Same. From one side it is one to many, from other side it is many to one. One to many, many to one, same. So now okay, then what is the default relationship in SQL Server? Actually, when you are declaring foreign key, have you mentioned any relationship type one to one, one to many? No. What is the default relationship in SQL Server? One to one. You see that. One to many. Default relationship is one to many. Why? See that. Here project is one project. How many employees working for the project? Two employees. Multiple. Foreign key allows duplicates, na? Duplicates means multiple employees working for the same project. What is the relationship? One to many. Default relationship is one to many. If you don't do anything, if you simply declare foreign key, if you declare only foreign key, then what type of relationship is created? One to many. One to many is created. One parent, many children. One project, many employees. Many employees work for the project, no? Yes or no? Then so that's why it is one to many. Then, but I want to establish one to one. Can I want to establish what's it? One to one. Between the two tables, you want to establish the relationship, but one to one relationship. Then what you do? So tell me what? One to one. How to establish one to one? Okay. See, then. So here actually see this. If you allow the duplicates, then if you allow the duplicates, one to many. If you don't allow the duplicates, one to one. That's all. If you allow the duplicates, one to many. If you don't allow the duplicates, one to one. By default, it allows the duplicates. That's why one to many. But don't allow the duplicates into foreign key column. If you don't allow the duplicates into foreign key, one to one is created. Then tell me how to not to allow the duplicates into foreign key column. Don't allow the duplicates into foreign key column. Then one to one is created. Then how? Declare one more constraint, boss. How to avoid the duplicates? Don't allow the duplicates. Then declare foreign key with unique. Declare foreign key with what, sir? Unique. When unique is declared, then it will not allow the duplicates. If it allow the duplicates, then one to many. If you don't allow the duplicates, one to one. That's all. Okay. Then so now next. Then so by default, SQL Server creates one to many relationship between two tables. By default, SQL Server creates one to many relationship between two tables. By default, SQL Server creates one to many relationship between two tables. Okay, then to establish what? Okay, to establish one-to-one relationship. To establish what? One-to-one relationship. Declare what? Declare foreign key with what, set? Unique constraint. To establish one-to-one relationship, declare foreign key with unique constraint. Okay, declare foreign key with unique constraint. Now, let's take example. Let's take example. Example for one-to-one. Example for one-to-one. You know any example for one-to-one? Okay, na? What the actual in real time also? What are the relationship between project and employee? You take company's bus. What are the relationship between project and employee? One to many. That's what we did, the same thing. One to many. In companies also one to many. One project, many employees. Yes. One employee works for one project. One employee works for one project. One project can have many employees. So relationship between project and employees, what? One to many. Like that. You know any relationship, one-to-one relationship? You know any example for one-to-one relationship? Huh? Huh? Oh, like employee project employee. I taken one example, one to many. Like that, you tell me one example for one-to-one. Product and customer. So one product can be purchased by many customer. One customer purchases what? Many products. Relationship between product and customer is many to many. It's not one to one. Vehicle number and once again, see, once again, relationship. Okay, na? Relationship. So you said vehicles, vehicle number and chassis number. Relationship does not exist between two fields. Relationship exists between two tables. You're telling the relationship between two fields. Relationship does not exist between two fields. Relationship exists between two tables. Okay, then client and company. One company can associate with many clients. One client can associate with many companies. Yes or no? No? Then, so like actually see this. There is a table, what's it? Department, department number, department name. So 10th department, HR department, 20th, what's it? IT department. So next to every department, there is a what? Managers. One is manager number, manager, what's that? Name, manager number, manager name. Manager is one, his name is A. Next one, manager two, name is what? B, something. Okay, na? Then. So there is a table, department and managers table. Okay. One department is managed by how many managers? One department managed by how many managers? One manager. One manager manages how many departments? One department. So relationship between department and managers is what? 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Like if you go to colleges, department HOD. In colleges, department HOD. But here companies, department manager. Okay, then. So in the above example, like once again, in the above example, so relationship between what? Department and managers is what? 1 to 1. So relationship is 1 to 1. Okay, then relationship is 1 to 1. Between these two tables, relationship is 1 to 1. One department is managed by one manager manages exactly one department. Okay, 1 to 1. Then what you do? So like introduce the foreign key, add the foreign key and declare the foreign key with what? Unique constraint. Declare the foreign key with what? Unique. Okay, then. So now, so add foreign key, add what? Foreign key and declare foreign key with what? Declare foreign key with unique constraint. Okay. Tell me what you do. Department as it is. This is D name. Next one 10. Next one HR. Next one 20. Next one IT. HR. Okay. This is department table. What are the next? Managers table. One field is manager number, manager name. Manager is 1, name is A. Manager 2, name is B. Then next, what is said? Add foreign key. If you want to have the relationship between these two tables, if you want the relationship, first step, what? Add foreign key. Adding foreign key means take primary key of one table, add it to another table. In this table, what is primary key? Department number. Take the department number, add it to managers table. Okay. Na? In department table, DNO is what? Primary key. In managers table, DNO is what? Foreign key. So this is foreign key. But simply adding is not enough. You have to declare with what? References. References, which table? Department table. In department table, DNO. And also, what do you want? You want to have the one-to-one. If you want to have the one-to-one, declare what's it? Unique also. Declare unique constraint. Declare unique. So declare the foreign key, declare the unique. Next one. 20. So this employee is the manager for 20, is the manager for 10, is the manager for 20. Next one. Employee 3. Employee 3. Name is what, sir? C. What is the manager number is? Like manager number is 10. Then allowed or not allowed? Not allowed, because you declared what, sir? Unique. Not allowed. So then what is this is error or invalid. Anything. So what is the relationship now? 1 to 1. One department, one manager. That's all. Default is one to many bus. If you want to have one-to-one relationship, then declare foreign key with unique. But maximum relationships are what? One to many. Maximum. One to many. But sometimes you come across one to one. Sometimes you come across many to many. Student, like suppose, sorry, product, customer, that is what? Many to many. Okay, then next one. So this is example for one to one. Next one, tell me example for, sir, you can create the table now. Yes or no? You can write create table command. Yes, create table command. Create table DEPT, create table what? Managers. Manager number is? Manager number is primary key. Manager name, not null. DNO, what? Foreign key space unique. Declare foreign key space unique. You declare two constraints. Okay. One is foreign key, one is unique. Next. Example for what? Many to many. Tell me, what is the example for many to many? Customer products, order products. Okay. Orders and products. Customer places order to buy the products. In one order, you can buy. You place one order to buy exactly one product or multiple products. Multiple products. You place one order to buy multiple products. One product can be ordered in what? One product. One C. Order products. One order. You place one order to buy many products. And one product can be purchased in what? One product. One product can be purchased in what? Many orders. One product can be purchased in what? Many orders. And one order you can purchase what? Many products. Okay. So what is the relationship between orders and products? Many to many. Suppose, one second, orders, one field is what? Order ID. Next one, order date. Next one, delivery date. Order ID, order date, delivery date. Like you take Swiggy, Zomato. So they place, customers places order to buy like products. Okay, na? They maintain this order ID, order date, delivery date like this. Next one. So customers purchases what? Products. What are the products? Product ID, product what's her name, product price, like that. So order is what? 1000. Order is 1000. Order date so and so date, so and so delivery date. Order is 1000, 1001. So and so place, so and so order, so and so delivery date. So this is one order placed by one customer. This is another order placed by different customer. Orders. This table stores orders. What are the project products 100? Next one 101, like that. So some products 101 products. Suppose A, B. Next then price what, some 100. So this is 50 something. Just okay na? Then now what is the relationship? Okay, then so the relationship between orders and products is what? Many to many. One order you can purchase multiple products. One product can be purchased in multiple orders. So relationship between orders and products is many to many. Okay na? Then so if the relationship is many to many, then what? How to handle this? In the one-to-one, what you have to do? Just one more. Apart from foreign key, apart from declaring foreign key, you have to declare one more constraint, that is unique. Then how to, okay, establish many to many relationship. To establish many to many relationship, just listen this first. To establish the relationship, then don't add foreign key to what? Orders table. Don't add foreign key to what? Products table. Don't add foreign key to any of this table. Sir, in previous examples, to establish the relationship between what? Projects and employee, what I have done? Take foreign key, add foreign key to, I taken foreign key of project table, add it to what? Employee table. To establish one-to-one, so I taken the foreign key of primary key of what? Department, added this primary key to what, sir? Managers. One-to-many, one-to-one, take primary key of one table, add it to another table. If it is many-to-many relationship, then don't take what, sir? Primary key of one table, add it to another table. Then create a separate table. Create what? Separate table. If it is many-to-many relationship, create separate table. Listen this. What is that is? What is that is? Order details. Order details. In this table, take primary keys of both the tables. Take what? Primary keys of what? Both the tables. What is that is? Order ID, product ID. If you want to store some extra information, you can store. What is that is? Quantity. How much quantity? Okay, na? Then so order ID is what, sir? 1000. Product ID is what? 100. Quantity what, sir? 1. Order ID is 1000. Order ID is what, sir? 1000. Product ID is what? 101. Quantity is what, sir? 1. That means in this order, customer is purchasing how many products? 2 products. Product 100, product 101. Next one. Order ID is what? 1001. Customer is buying 100. Next one, 1001 is also buying what, sir? 101. How many quantities? 1 quantity, like this. Now, in this order, customer is purchasing 2 products. In this order, customer is purchasing 2 products. So this order 1000 is associated with how many products? This order 1000 is associated with how many products? 2 products, multiple products. Yes, that means one order is associated with multiple. This product 100 is associated with how many orders? 100. Product 100 is associated with how many orders? 100 is associated with how many orders? 2 orders. 1000 plus 1001. Yes. So 100 is associated with 2 orders. And 1000 is associated with 2 products. Yes. That means one order is associated with multiple products. One product is associated with multiple orders. What is the relationship between many to many? So to establish what? If the relationship between orders and many to many. So to establish the many to many relationship, to establish what's it? To establish many to many relationship. To establish the many relationship, create what? Create what's it? Third table and take what? Primary keys of what? Both the tables as foreign keys. Create third table and take primary keys of both the tables as foreign keys. Okay, now then. So that's all. You come across only these three: one to one, one to many, many to many. That's all. Okay. Then you know how to establish one to one. You know how to establish one to many. For one to many, you don't need to do anything. Default is one to many. Just declare only foreign key. But for many to many, then create what? Third table. In the third table, take this primary keys of both the tables as foreign key. So in this table, order ID is one foreign key, product ID is one foreign key. Yes or no? This foreign key refers what? Orders table order ID. This foreign key refers what? Product table product ID. Yes. Okay. Then understood. Okay. Now. So can you design a database for this? Like they give this diagram. Design a database for this bank. Design database for this. So design a database for this ER diagram. What this is called? This diagram is called ER diagram. ER means entity relationship. Entity relationship diagram. Okay. Then. So in this, bank is one entity, branch is one entity. This is entity. Bank is called entity. And branch is called one entity. What is this diamond shape is? This diamond shape is Relationship. This diamond shape represents what? Relationship between bank and what? Branch. What is the relationship between bank and branch? What is the relationship between bank and branch? One bank has what? Many branches. One branch is associated with how many banks? One bank. One branch is associated with one bank. What is the relationship? One to many. Now let us take branch and accounts. One branch offers how many accounts? Many accounts. One account is associated with how many branches? One branch. One branch offers how many loans? Many loans. One loan is associated with how many branches? One branch. What is the relationship? One to many. One account is taken by how many customers? One customer. One customer takes how many accounts? Multiple accounts. Savings, current, fixed deposits. Then one customer can take what's that? Many accounts. Like one customer takes how many loans? Many loans. One loan. Many loans. Vijay Malia. Then and then so one customer takes what? Many loans. One loan is associated with one loan. One loan is associated with one customer. One loan associated with, you take one loan, one particular loan that is associated with one customer. So what the relationship is? Customer to loan, one to many. Loan to customer, many to one. Many to one. If you read it from customer to loan, one to many. If you read from loan to customer, many to one. So this is the ER diagram. I want to design the database for this. Designing the database means design the tables. Okay, now can you store the data in ER diagram? Flowchart, like a flowchart. You know flowchart? Flowchart is for understanding. ER diagram is also what? Understanding. In bank database, what are there? What entities are there? What are the relationship? So relationship exists between which two entities? What is the type? Whether it is one to one or one to many. For understanding the database, you can go through this ER diagram. This is for understanding. Okay, na? Then if you want to store the data, then convert this diagram into what's our database tables and store the data. Okay. What this is called ER model. For this ER model, what you have to do? You prepare what's our database. What that is called? That is called what? Relational model. Relational model. This is ER model. For this ER model, you prepare what? Relational model. This is the ER model. For this ER model, prepare the relational model. Okay, then. Sir, ER model is converted into what? Like in not only here, in database design. Okay, na? Like designer is there. You want to design a database for bank. You won't directly start with tables. First, what he will do? He'll first talk to the client. He'll talk to the client. After talking to the client, he'll gather the what's information from the client. So client gives inputs. Based on that inputs, then what? He'll prepare what's ER model. Okay, na? Based on the information given by client, he'll prepare what? ER model. Later, he'll convert this ER model into what? Relational model. In ER model, what? In ER model, sir, here once again. So suppose then In ER model, maximum you find these three symbols. Maximum you find these three symbols. One is this, one is this, one is WhatsApp, this one. Maximum you find these symbols. What is the symbol is called? This is called entity. What is the symbol is called? Attribute. What is the symbol is called? Relationship. So this rectangle is called entity, ellipse is called attribute, diamond shape is called relationship. Maximum you come across these three symbols: entities, attributes, relationships. This is in what? This is in ER model. So entity, attribute, relationship. Okay, then now now okay na? In ER model entities are there now. Entities are converted into what? Entities are converted into tables. Entities are converted into tables. Next one, what? Attributes. In ER model, attributes are converted into fields. Columns are fields. Attributes are converted into columns. Table contains columns now. So attributes are converted into columns. They are called fields. Fields are columns. Next one. In ER model, what is there? Relationship is there. Relationship is converted into conditions. What is that? Foreign key. Relationship is converted into foreign key. So entities are converted into tables, attributes are converted into fields, relationship is converted into foreign key. Okay, now now let's take the like a previous example. Let's take the previous. What this is? This one. Okay, na? Let's take the previous bank branch. Okay, then what? So here, how many tables are created? How many tables are created? How many entities are there? One, bank is one, branch is one, loan is one, account is one, customer is one. Total, how many tables are created? 5 tables. Okay, na? Like once again. So database design for bank. Okay, then. Sir, I'm converting that ER diagram into relational model. This is the ER model. I'm converting this ER model into relational model. Okay, then. So now, one table is what? One table is what, boss? First listen, first see this. One table is what? Bank. One table is branch. One table is loans. One table is accounts. One table is loans. One table is customers. So total how many tables? 5 tables. Next one, what is said? The attributes of entity becomes fields of the table. Attributes becomes field. Bank is having how many attributes? 3 attributes. Bank code, bank name, bank address. So these 3 attributes becomes 3 fields. Fields of the bank table. One is bank, what's that? Code, bank name, bank address. And here underline is there. Code is underlined. That means when something is underlined means it is primary key. Then this is primary key. Now branch is having how many? 3. Branch ID, name, address. Listen this first. Branch, what? Branch ID, branch name, branch address, branch ID. Then now underline. This is primary key. Branch ID is primary key. Yes. Now 1 second. There is a relationship between what's that? There is a relationship between what? Bank and branch. There is a relationship between bank and branch. Here also there should be a relationship between bank and branch. In a ER diagram, there is a relationship. In a relational model also, there should be a relationship between these 2 tables. Yes. Then establish the relationship between these 2 tables. Introduce what? Foreign key. Because relationship is converted into foreign key. Introduce foreign key. So introducing foreign key means what I said, take primary key of one table, add that primary key to another table. So in this, sir, here 1 second. Sir, what is the relationship between these 2? Sir, actually you should get a doubt. Sir, I should add foreign key to branch table or we should add foreign key to bank table. We should add foreign key to bank table, branch table. Branch table. See, remember what is the general principle is. So if the relationship is 1 to many, add foreign key to many side table. If the relationship is what's that? 1 to many, add foreign key to many side table. That is general. Either it is any relationship, add foreign key to many side table. So here tell me what is the many side table? Branch. So add foreign key to branch table. What is the foreign key in branch table? Bank code. This one. What is the foreign key in branch table? Bank code. So code. You take the code, then C code. So this is what's that? Foreign key. This foreign key refers bank table, bank code. Yes or no? Understood or not? If the relationship is 1 to many, add foreign key to many side table. Okay. Next one. Let's come to branch and accounts. Let's come to branch and accounts. There is a one more table. What is the table? Accounts table. See, listen. There is a table, accounts table. In accounts table, then what are the fields? Account number, account type, balance. So then that attributes becomes what, sir? Fields. Account number, next one, account type, next one, balance. Account number is what? Primary key. Account number is primary key. Okay. Then next one, this is primary key. Now, next, then there is a relationship between what? Branch and accounts. So there should be a relationship between these 2 tables also. In ER diagram, there is a relationship between branch and account. Here also there should be a relationship between branch and accounts. How that relationship is established? Introducing foreign key. So what is said? Foreign key is added to many side table. What is the many side table? Accounts. So add foreign key to accounts table. What is the foreign key? Branch underscore ID. This is foreign key. So this foreign key refers this primary key. Understood? Then next one. Next. So there is a like loans table is there. What are the fields of the loans table? Loan ID, loan type, loan amount. One field is what? Loan ID, loan type, loan type. Okay. Next one, loan amount. How much amount he has taken the loan. So loan ID is what, sir? Primary key. Next one. Then here there is a relationship between branch and what? Loans. There is a relationship. There is a relationship between branch and loans. Yes. So here also there should be a relationship between branch and loans. establish the relationship, introduce what? Foreign key. Add foreign key to which table? Loans table, many site table. What is the many site table? Loans. Add foreign key to loans table. What is the foreign key in loans table? Branch underscore ID. This is what? Foreign key. Foreign key. Okay. Then, so loan ID is primary key. Branch ID is what, sir? Foreign key. Now, let's come to this one. Now, there is loan type is loan ID, loan type combination. That means composite primary key. Okay. Na? We'll see that. Now, loan ID is enough. Actually, loan type is not required. Okay. Then, now customers table. There is a table. What's it? Customers table. The fields of the customer table, attributes of customer table becomes fields. One is what? Customer ID. Customer what? Name. Customer what? Phone. Customer phone. Next one, customer what's it? Address. Customer address. Customer ID, name, phone, address. Okay. Then, so now, and customer ID is what's it? Customer ID is what? Primary key. Next one, and here, see this. There is a relationship between what's it? Customers and accounts. Yes, there is a relationship between customer and what's it? Accounts. So the same relationship should be there between customers and accounts. Then introduce what? Foreign key. Add foreign key. Add foreign key to which table? Accounts table. Many site table. What is the many site table? Accounts. Add foreign key to accounts table. What is the foreign key in accounts table? Customer ID. Customer ID is what's that? Foreign key. So this so and so account belongs to so and so customer, and you open this account in so and so branch. This account is belongs to this customer. You open this account in so and so branch. Understood? Now next, this is completed. Next one, there is a relationship between customer and what's her? Loans. The same relationship should be there here. So here, add foreign key to which table? Loans table. So take foreign key. What is the foreign key? Customer ID, foreign key. So this is the loan account, and you open this. He's taken this loan. Which customer is taken? This so and so customer is taken this loan, and is taken the loan through this branch. Okay, then that's what this is. What this is? Relational model, or you can say relational model. Relational model for the above ER model. The relational model for the above ER model. That's all. Now, so okay. Now, so you do one thing, write what's it. And what you have to write? Create table script, create table bank. You know, now creating tables, create table command. You write the create table commands. Okay. And in creating the table, account number should be declared as primary key. Branch ID should be declared as foreign key. Customer ID should be declared as foreign key. Create the tables, like declare the constraints. You know what is primary key, what is foreign key. Okay, na? Then who prepared this? Who prepared this ER model? Who prepared this ER model? Database designer. Who prepared this relational model? Who prepared this relational model? Database designer. Who prepared the ER model? Database designer. Who prepared the relational model? Database designer. So then after preparing these tables are given to developer. Developer will create the tables by using SQL Server. Designed by designer, created by developers. Okay. So these tables are given to developer and developer will create the tables by using SQL Server software. Okay. Then, so what you have to know? You must learn how to write create table command. Okay. Then next. Plus, and one more, just here points. One point is, sir, if relationship is 1 to 1, then add foreign key to no 1 to 1. 1 to 1. If it is 1 to 1, add foreign key to what's it? Any table, no problem. If it is 1 to 1. If relationship is what's it? 1 to many, then add foreign key to many site table. If relationship is 1 to 1, then add foreign key to any table, no problem. But if relationship is 1 to many, add foreign key to many site table. Next one, if relationship is many to many, you already know. If relationship is many to many, then create what's it? Third table and add primary keys of both the tables as foreign keys. That's it. So this is the standard you have to follow. Oh. See, just only declaring unique, it will not become 1 to 1. Foreign key plus unique. You can add it to any table. I'm just table. Like 1 to 1 already you know. But foreign key, to whichever the table you add foreign key, there you declare unique. Okay. Okay, now that's So this is what foreign key. Okay, now. So, okay, we'll continue this tomorrow.